Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. Force restarting is a simple and effective fix, as it helps refresh the device and attempt to re-enter recovery mode. Depending on your iPhone model, follow these steps to force restart. iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold both the side button and the volume down button until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the side button until you see the Apple logo. After completing the force restart, try entering recovery mode again. Fix 2. Update iTunes. iTunes is a key tool for iPhone recovery mode, and updating iTunes can prevent issues related to software compatibility that may cause recovery mode not working on iPhone. On Mac, Step 1. Open the App Store on your Mac. Step 2. Go to the Updates section, and macOS will check for available iTunes updates. Step 3. If an update is available, click Update. On Windows, Step 1. Open iTunes and click on the Help menu in the upper left corner. Step 2. Select the Check for Updates option. Step 3. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Fix 3. Using DFU Mode. DFU Mode is a more in-depth system repair method that can be used when recovery mode is not working. It's important to note that entering DFU mode may result in data loss. So, please back up your iPhone first to avoid data loss. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone. Make sure iTunes is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. If done successfully, the screen of your device will remain black. Step 3. Once your iPhone is in DFU mode, you'll see a message that iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Step 4. Click the OK button, then select Restore iPhone from the main iTunes interface. Fix 4. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. If you want to avoid losing any data, consider trying iOS system recovery instead. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. Open it and select iOS System Recovery from the main menu. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer via USB and tap Trust on your device. Step 2. A pop-up will show a list of issues the software can fix. Click Start to proceed. Step 3. Choose either Standard Mode or Advanced Mode based on your needs. The tool will detect your device's basic information. Click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Finally, click Repair to begin downloading the firmware package and repairing your iOS device. Fix 5. Contact Apple support. If none of the above methods resolve the iPhone recovery mode not working issue, there may be a hardware problem with the device. Contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store is a better option, as the Apple technical team can provide more in-depth diagnostics and repair services.